again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So I thought I'd just quickly show you a few things that have turned up from Modelones. We're not really going to be looking at this in much detail today. These are going to be in upcoming videos this week. We've got a couple of gel polish kits and a polygel kit. What we are going to be taking a look at today is this Remove Plus. So this is 90% acetone and 10% essential oils from Modelones. So there's the ingredients there if anyone wants to take a quick screenshot. So straight out the box I can see that it's got an extra lid for kind of precision squirting. Precision squirter, I'm just going to call it a precision squirter. So this 3-in-1 formula is essentially a polish remover, a nail cleaner and kind of a prep. It's made with osmanthus, lemon, it's got a lemon fragrance, it's got lavender oil to soothe any irritation that acetone would normally cause. It's got jojoba oil, grapeseed oil to nourish and strengthen. I'm obsessed with this stuff. So I'm going to take these nails off that I did only 2 days ago. It's going to kill me to take these nails off, but they got to go. And guys, as soon as I opened that bottle, the smell hit me in the face. It's got a beautiful kind of, it's citrusy, but it's kind of fruity at the same time. It hasn't got that horrible acetone smell to it. And even half an hour after I removed these nails, I came back in my nail room and I could still smell it. It was like almost an air freshener or a perfume on my skin. It was strong, but it was at the same time, it wasn't overpowering or sickly. Beautiful, beautiful smell. So to use this stuff, you need to scratch off all that shiny top coat. Acetone won't penetrate through that shiny top coat. So make sure you scratch off all that shiny top coat and snip your nails down as short as possible. So that's mine ready to go, and I've got these off Amazon. If I remember, I'll put them in my Amazon store, and they're just pre-made pieces of foil and they've got the cotton wool already attached to them. So I'm just gonna soak. Does anybody know what this flappy flap's for on these foils? Every time I buy them from all different brands, they've always got this little folded flap and I don't know what they're for. I've not worked it out. So you need to squirt your polish remover onto cotton wool or a pre-made one like this. Put the cotton wool directly onto the nail and wrap your nail up in tin foil, nice and snug and tight. Don't forget to shake this liquid as well, guys, just to make sure all those oils are fully mixed through that acetone. So I'll just quickly show you one more. Completely saturate the cotton wool or whatever you're using. You can even use lint-free wipes, I think, as long as they're saturated in that acetone. Wrap them up in tin foil, nice and snug. So for anybody that didn't see the video of me applying these nails are full cover gel tips, and I've applied them using one of the solid gel glues. It was quite thick, so I'm going to be leaving this on for probably 15 minutes. It does say for old school regular nail polish lacquer, it will literally take it off in 3 seconds. So for gel polish, you're going to need to leave these on for 5 minutes ish. And for artificial nails and things like dip powder, acrylic, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. Things like hard gel, polygel, same as acrylic, 15 to 20 minutes. So these have been on now for a roughly 15 minutes, and I'm just checking. I don't know what was going on with my pinky. It was the tiniest nail, but it took the longest. So I thought it wasn't quite ready. It was starting to soften, so I just stuck it back on for a couple more minutes on that pinky and moved on to the next nail. And I'm gonna have to reveal one of my tricks of the trade, because I have to do nails every day and these have to come off every day. I don't use a base coat as a base coat. I use non-wipe top coat, just because it makes it easier for me to pop my nails on and off. So you will see that all this has been completely melted off by the Remove Plus polish remover, but I've still got a kind of shiny layer to my nail. That is my no wipe top coat, and it also shows that you have to get that shiny top coat off your manicure, because this stuff will not penetrate a shiny top coat. And that's why it's so important in the beginning to scuff and scratch up all that top coat so that the liquid can get in underneath it to dissolve these nails off. And guys, before this video gets towards the end, I just want to quickly remind you all, Prime Day has already started in the US. It's for the 16th and the 17th only in the US, UK, Germany, Canada. This stuff has sold out everywhere. So if you want it and it is available to you on your Amazon, get it now. I think it's sold out in that first week in the UK. We can't get it. It is also available on the website, and I will keep it in my Amazon store. Add it to your basket and it should tell you when it's back in stock. If it's not already in stock in your country, I believe the next stock are coming in August. So if it's available to you, get it now. And it's available on the website. Also, I will leave in my Amazon store, all the Amazon deals will be in there, and there's coupons available, vouchers, and you can use my discount code on top of the coupons and vouchers. So definitely head over, check out the links in my description box and see what deals are available. There's also a massive sale on the Modelones website at the minute that finishes in 7 days, I believe. I hope I've got all that right. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I just wanted to quickly show you this because it's just selling out everywhere. And guys, I could not believe how oily and moisturized my nails were. I haven't put any cuticle oil or any moisturizer on my nails whatsoever. They didn't dry out. I didn't get that dry kind of crusty white. It just felt like I had oil on them. It was absolutely amazing stuff. It did all the job that a powerful acetone does, but at the same time I felt the nourishment, I felt the kind of moisturizing going on, and it was just a dream to use. It really was. And if you've not yet had the opportunity to try it and you're somebody that regularly removes their nails with acetone, I would 100% recommend trying it. I really would. Fantastic stuff. It's not often that I am blown away by a product, and I really enjoyed using it. The smell, the way it made my fingers feel, my nails, they just felt nourished and moisturized. I was quite impressed with it. But I totally forgot to tell you, it's a big 240ml bottle as well. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I'll try and put all the information available to me down in my description box. Keep your eyes open this week. I've got quite a lot more Modelones products coming. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and hopefully I will see you all back in my next one very soon. Take care. Bye.